Here's how to fix your iPhone hotspot if it's not working. Now, if you're on your phone, you're trying to enable the personal hotspot so someone else can connect and use the internet on your phone. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into the settings here on your phone. And you can see right under cellular is personal hotspot. So tap on that. The first thing I would recommend doing is if this is turned on, just toggle it off and then turn it back on. Essentially, you're disconnecting and disabling that personal hotspot and then re-enabling it. You'll see at the very top right, when you turn on personal hotspot, it switches from Wi-Fi over to cell data because it's using your cell network data. Now, we're going to scroll down. The next thing I would recommend doing is if you're connecting to a non-Apple device, you want to make sure maximize compatibility is turned on. If this is turned off, it says internet performance may be reduced for devices, or in my instance, I've found instances where devices just cannot work with this. You need this maximize compatibility to be turned on. After we've done that, the next step that we're going to do is go back out of here and tap on cellular. You'll be able to see I have AT&T. I'm just going to toggle this line off, essentially disconnecting from the cell towers and my cell network. And I'm going to go in here and turn it back on. Essentially, this goes through the process of disconnecting and reconnecting to everything. Again, your personal hotspot is run based on your connection to your cell tower. In my instance, it's 5G. It might be LTE, something like that. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing if it's still not working is opening up a web browser. And on here, we're going to just search for your specific carrier. So in my instance, I have AT&T. You can see I can type in AT&T hotspot plans. Now, keep in mind, different carriers have the ability to offer hotspots, but keep in mind a lot of carriers do offer it, but only in some plans. So you need to make sure that your specific plan with your carrier, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever it may be, has access or allows you to have access to that hotspot. Essentially, they could limit or completely prevent you from doing a hotspot if that's not part of your plan. Now, the next thing we'll do is head into your settings. If it is part of your plan, we'll tap on General here and then scroll to the very bottom and we'll hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, let's tap on Reset and Reset Network Settings. So this will reset all of these settings associated with your Wi-Fi, your personal hotspot, all of that stuff. It will bring it back to factory default. And by doing so, a lot of times it fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in your phone. So hit that button to reset that. The next thing I would recommend doing is at the very bottom, just tap on shutdown. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and restarting it fixes issues on your phone. Essentially, your phone could have been running for days or weeks, and by turning it off and turning it back on, a lot of times it fixes bugs or glitches. The last thing I would recommend doing is if you're connected to the personal hotspot and it's still not working, is we're going to go into a web browser and we're just going to type in speed test here. And on Google, we'll run a quick speed test because essentially you're limited in internet connection based on your cell network capability or network speed here. You can see I'm on 5G, but I only have about 5 megabytes per second. That's because inside here, basically it gets really bad signal. So if I'm only limited to 5 megabytes per second, if I have another device tethered to it through a hotspot, that device will also be limited to my network speed. So in some instances, you might just need to go outside or go somewhere that you have a better connection to a cell tower, to your carrier network. Basically, LTE, 5G is what you're going to be going after, and essentially try to improve that speed so you can then improve the speed on the hotspot on that other device. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.